Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to pay on Facebook Marketplace. Alright, if you are buying something on Facebook Marketplace and wants to pay directly inside the app, I will show you exactly how to do it using your just phone. First, open your Facebook app. Tap the Marketplace icon at the bottom, find the item you want and tap on it. Now look at for the buy button. If you see buy now, that means the seller accept in-app payment and shipping. Tap buy now. Next, you will be taken to the checkout screen. Here you will confirm your shipping address, choose your payment method, review the total price. To add a payment method, tap add payment. You can pay with debit card, credit card or PayPal. Once your payment method is added, tap place order. That's it. The payment is now made inside Facebook. You will get a confirmation and you can track your order. And that's it. That's all for today's video guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.